If you'd like to create an online event, there are two ways you can do this. You can find the offerings under your Offerings tab. And from here, you can pick the type of offering that you'd like to add to your schedule as an online offering. Or you can also head over to your schedule page and find the day that you'd like to add this event to. Either options will have the same settings. So let's start with picking a day where we're going to add a new offering. This one will open up the option to choose from the existing offering list. So it could be a Hatha yoga class that we'd like to offer online. All of the setting information and details is the same, but here there is an option to make this an online event. You can automatically generate an online meeting link if you are connected to Zoom, or you can copy the link in here and give it a title. Once you have added your link and the name of the link, you can also decide to make this public. This means it will be visible for those who are simply visiting your page and reading about your event, but not actually registering to it. So if you want to keep this private and only accessible for those who are actually registering to your class, then make sure this is not ticked. And then you can simply click done. Now this is an online event and you can create and add all the other details as usual. This 11 o'clock online offering has been added and you can see that it tells us that this is an online event and you'll have the link accessible from your roster as well that you can copy and send to clients. When clients are looking at this event, they'll see that this is an online offering and information on how to join will be added or displayed after registration. Once they've registered, they're going to have the join the class via the Zoom link here, but it will be also sent to them in their registration confirmation email. You're also able to create your appointment-based offerings as online offerings as well. So in this example, our office hour is an online session with our clients where we can help them. So when you edit this appointment-based offering, you'll see the option to make this an online offering as well. So instead of an online event, it is an online appointment. And just like before, you can add a URL and you can also add a name to this link. And if you connect your Zoom with your OfferingTree account, you can automatically generate unique meeting links as well. When clients book an online appointment, they'll go through the same settings as usual. And then once they schedule their appointment, they'll have the link to join it through the Zoom link below. To add your Zoom integration, you can go to your business settings, then find app integrations and connect your Zoom here.